Okay, this is the upstairs bedrooms and playroom. So somehow or another, I'm still looking for another HVAC indoor air handler. And this one has all the same sins as the other one. The pan's too short. We got rust in the pan. We've got one difference is we got a shallow P-trap, but it's insulated. We still do not have a condensate drain line. Still got rust in the pan. Pan's still undersized. What is this? We do not have a care and use manual. True zone bypass. Okay. We do not have a care and use manual on this one. 20 by 25 by 4. 2 zones and 2 zones. I'm still looking for an air handler. So, insulated shallow P-trap. No neutralizing filter. Pan too small. Rust in pan. And this one does not have a care and use manual. So this one's different in that the P-trap is insulated and that it does not have a care and use manual.